If your rear access vehicle is equipped with a manual door and power ramp, firstly open the rear door or doors fully from outside of the vehicle. To operate the ramp, your vehicle will be equipped with a remote control. Standing clear of the ramp's deployment zone, press and hold the open button and this will deploy the ramp. Release button once ramp is fully deployed. To stow the ramp, press and hold the close button. Once ramp is fully stowed, release the button and close rear door or doors.